हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे आप सभी लोग। मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। आज हम फिर अनदर वीडियो लाए हैं जो कि हॉस्पिटल क्लीनिंग फार्मेसी से है। इसमें हम कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे जो लॉन्ग पर्पस के लिए है। इससे पहले एक मैंने वीडियो बनाया उसको भी आप विजिट कर सकते हैं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आप नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक शेयर और शेयर जरूर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं इसमें अपना। तो इसमें अपना है कि राइट द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ NABH एक्रीडेशन। तो इसका आंसर है NABH नेशनल एक्रीडेशन बोर्ड ऑफ फॉर हॉस्पिटल एंड हेल्थ केयर was started in 2005 and is developed by the Quality Council of India QIC। तो बेनिफिट ऑफ एक्रीडेशन, इसमें क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं अपने। फर्स्ट है पेशेंट आर द लार्जेस्ट बेनिफिशियल as the implementation of accreditation standard accuracy patient safety। Second है accreditation standards assure commitment to quality care associated with good clinical outcomes। Third है enhances patient satisfaction and increases community confidence as services are provided by medical staff। Fourth, accreditation status delivers a promising marketing advertisement in competitive healthcare। Explain the role of pharmacist in maintaining the cold chain. Cold chain role of pharmacist in maintaining cold chain. Hospital pharmacy administrators is responsible for safe and proper storage of all medication. Pharmacy team is responsible for policies and procedure to maintain cold chain. Standard operating procedure must be designed within pharmacy to assure that cold chain in maintained। Fourth है all pharmacy and its supporting staff must be trained on guidelines and procedures। Fifth है to ensure that temperature controlled medicines remains cold, effective and safe throughout the entire supply chain। Stable guidelines should be given regarding storage requirements। Seventh है performance of cold storage equipments is checked regularly। Eighth है records maintained for equipments maintenance and calibration। Ninth है pharmacy administrators should find out tracking method based on their needs like manual or electronic। 10th है temperatures should be inspected regularly। 11th है the emergency alertness procedure have to be planned in case of temperature break in cold chain। Write the function of pharmacy therapeutic committee। PTC is a policy framing and recommending body related to ration use of drugs in the hospital। It's play a dual role in being first एडवाइजरी बॉडी, सेकंड है एजुकेशनल बॉडी। तो फर्स्ट है ऑब्जेक्टिव्स की एडवाइजरी बॉडीज टू असिस्ट in formulation of policies regarding evaluation, selection, and therapeutic use of drugs in the hospital, to advise medical staff and hospital administrators about matters regarding drug use. C. Advise pharmacists about effective drug ad- distribution and controlled produces D. To give recommendation about the drugs to be stocked in patient care areas. Second, educational bodies to assist in formulation of policies to meet the needs of professional staff. Second, to review adverse drugs reaction and provide hospital formulary system. Third है to look after arrangement of training programs for the professional staff involved in drug use. Read the examples of following drugs: reverse antibodies, ceftaroxilin, tigecycline, polymyxin. Emergency drugs: amiodarone, hydrocortisone, lignosin. C है शेड्यूल H1 ड्रग्स: alprazolam, cefepime, venlafaxine, tramadol. Write about automatic drug dispensing devices. Automatic drug dispensing device includes computer assists physicians order, enter. Second, robotic handling, packaging, sorting of drugs in pharmacy. Third, stand-alone nursing unit-based cabinet. Fourth, automated generation of customized reports and forms. Advantage: first, reduce workload of nurses. Second, controlled substances measurements in secure lockbox until needed and access is secured by multi-factors authentication. Third है improves patient safety by providing drug allergy alerts. Third है drug reaction and advice on high risk medication. Define total parenteral nutrition and right contents of TNP. Total parental nutrition (TNP) is intravenous administration of nutrients in adequate quantities to achieve tissue synthesis and anabolism. Contents of PTN. PTN is a mixture of separate compounds which contains carbohydrates, lipids, fats, amino acids, electrolytes, trace elements, vitamins, and fluids. TNP TPN composition adjusted as per the requirements of the patients. Indication: it is only possible choices for patients who does not have functioning GTI or have disorders requiring complete bowel rest. How to dispense radiopharmaceutical to patient. Dispensing of radiopharmaceuticals should be safe, straightforward, and reliable. Cold kits should be used providing individual or multiple doses and can be reconstituted by the addition of the radionuclide at the time of intended use. Radiopharmaceuticals are never given directly to patient and are provided to trained healthcare professionals at the hospitals and clinics and then administered to patients. Recom- Recommended dosage level is calculated on the basis of patient's history, age, weight, surface area. Dispensing is done as per pharmacy law and records be maintained. Policies and procedures are developed so that correct drugs, incorrect doses, incorrect route of administration at correct time to correct patient is administered. Good radiation practice GPP should be followed strictly to reduce unwanted radiation exposure. Define the following terms: postnatal care, antenatal care, and IV admixture. Postnatal care is given to the mother and her newborn baby immediately after the birth and for the first 6 weeks of life. Antenatal care, it is the care received from health professional during pregnancy, sometimes also called pregnancy care or maternity care. Types of antenatal natal care: midwifery care, private care, intravenous admixture are the solution preparedly by mixing one or more medication with intravenous fluids and are administered by IV administration. Intravenous route, it is administered with the help of IV administration set injected directly to the patient veins. Read the types of medication error. It is the error defined as failure of planned action to be components as intended or use of wrong plan to achieve the aim. Types of medication error: prescribing omits wrong time, unauthorized drugs, improper dose, wrong doses, administration wrong, monitoring error, compliance error. Define poison information center and its function. Poison Information Center (PIC) is a specialized unit providing information on prevention, early diagnosis, treatment of poisoning, and hazard management. It was established NPIC in Feb 1995 in the Department of Pharmacology at AIIMS, New Delhi. PIC provides toxicology information and advice on management of poisons patient adapted to the level of inquiry. Function to provide information and advice about diagnosis, prog- prognosis, treatment, and prevention of poisoning. It should provide professional programs to update healthcare professional regarding poisoning treatment, to organize public educational programs to create awareness regarding poisoning prevention, to collect data on poisoning and their sources, to evaluate effects, efficacy of poisoning treatment, to identify toxicity, to participate in toxicology research and report unique poisoning cases to medical community, to develop facilities for toxicovigilance and evaluate measures to reduce and prevention of poison, to prepare manual and leaflets on prevention and management cards on treatment of various poisoning, to reduce mor- morbidity and mortality for poisoning. Write the overview of pharmacovigilance. The overview show how the discipline of pharmacovigilance has undergone dramatic changes since the thalidomide tragedy. Every aspect of pharmacovigilance has been affected, beginning with establishment of three core activities. First, case and management for the standardization of adverse events information, signal management for querying these databases to detect drug events relationship, brief risk management to implement process that mitigate patient risk to maintain a favorable benefit risk balance. Pharmacovigilance has built out multiple activities. Some of them includes supporting patient safety during the conduct of clinical trials through well developed patient consent forms and review documents with clinical development. Selecting the first safe dose for use in humans. Developing the range of documents describing safety profile of experiment agents. Monitoring the safety related issue of the manufacturing products. Coach, small question answer for the dispensing of medicines. The minimum qualification of hospital pharmacist is D Pharma. Secretary of PTC is pharmacist. Objectives of infection control committee is all of the above. ILR is Iceland refrigerator. The patient who is able to walk is now as ambulatory patient services. The improve provided for immediate medical attention or in case of an accident, emergency care. Cold storage temperature is 2 degree to 8 degree Celsius. The route of administration to total parental nutrition is intravenous GRP, good reference practice. Computer programs made for drug interaction screening. Both patient counseling helps to motivate the patient to talk medicine for improvement of health status. Advice must be given to patient will using hematinus cause feces reddish brown black. The advice of on a prescription hora somnis at bedtime in acute poisoning symptoms appear suddenly for short duration. Pharmacovigilance continue throughout post-marketing surveillance. The antidote used in organophosphate poisoning is atropine. What type of medication error is incorrect formulation or dosage form? Dispensing error. The formula for economics order quantities is root 2 AB slash CS. GPP stands for Good Practice Pharmacy Practice. When T4 and T3 levels are too high, TSH secretion are low. सो अपने ये आज के लिए इतना ही है टॉपिक. बाकी हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे कवर करेंगे इनके और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर. ये सब आप जो देख सकते हैं इतने लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन अभी अपने बनने हैं आगे के लिए. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आप नहीं तो प्लीज चैनल को लाइक शेयर और शेयर जरूर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू सो मच.